Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of assembly. The act of constructing something, as a piece of machinery. Fabrication. The social act of assembling. They demanded the right of assembly. Assemblage, gathering. A public facility to meet for open discussion. Forum, meeting place. A group of machine parts that fit together to form a self-contained unit. A group of persons who are gathered together for a common purpose. A unit consisting of components that have been fitted together.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.